Dear children, today let's see the very famous experiment related to hydrogen chloride gas. For this, we have a round bottomed flask kept in inverted position filled with hydrogen chloride gas, closed with two-holed cork. Through one, we have a stopper. The stopper has 2-3 drops of water. Next, a capillary tube immersed in blue litmus solution. Now, we squeeze this dropper. The water enters the flask. Dissolve hydrogen chloride gas there. As a result, vacuum created. Litmus solution from here enters the tube in the form of a fountain. Due to the presence of the hydrogen chloride gas here or hydrochloric acid formed here, when hydrogen chloride gas dissolved in this 2-3 drops of water formed hydrochloric acid. Due to that presence, this blue changed to red. So from this experiment means where a fountain formed red colored red fountain experiment, we can understand hydrogen chloride gas is acidic in nature and highly soluble in water. So what is the question? What does red fountain experiment prove? Red fountain experiment proves high solubility of hydrogen chloride gas and it is acidic in nature. In two words we can write the answer. Hydrogen chloride gas is acidic in nature and highly soluble in water. Okay, thank you.